Edestus was a odd and bizarre looking shark, otherwise known as the scissor-toothed shark and the coal shark that was active during the late Devonian to the Carboniferous period. Edestus grew new teeth and gums. The older tissue would not be lost, but pushed forward, which resulted in teeth that faced forward as if they were pushed out of the mouth. How Edestus used these teeth to kill and hunt its victims for food remains a mystical mystery, alas. But I assume it probably had to do something with a specialized predatory behavior pattern and a prey preference beyond our current comprehension due to how biologically advanced some of these prehistoric sea monsters were. Some researchers say they must have thrashed their victims to death. This creature was so odd, paleontologists had a difficult time depicting this prehistoric predator with precision and accuracy because paleontologists mainly go on patterns of nature and fossil evidence as a scientific basis, or what we know as fact. I wish I could have seen a prehistoric sea creature battle between a helicoprion and an Edestus, considering how similar these creatures were on the crazy-looking shark meter. There is not enough information on the sea predator yet, due to its recent discovery. When more facts about the Edestus reach the public, I may follow up on this prehistoric sea shark that could keep you up all night long.